Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to schedule a message on WhatsApp. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through the steps on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the WhatsApp app. Also make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now head over to your Play Store. On your Play Store, search for the app ScheduleUp. ScheduleUp is a third-party auto messaging application. So install this on your phone. You can also check its logo. After you install the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to schedule a message on WhatsApp, here you can see Message Scheduler option. Tap on it. You need to provide the accessibility permission so you can agree on it. Here you can see different platforms like WhatsApp, WhatsApp Business, and Telegram. Make sure that WhatsApp is selected. Now you can tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. At the top, you can see the contact section. Tap on it. Now you need to enable the accessibility permission. It will take you to your settings. Here you can see installed apps option. Tap on it. Now select schedule up option. Right now it is off, so enable it. After doing so, you can go back. Now tap on your contacts. Select contacts again. Now it will directly take you to your WhatsApp account. Select the chat where you want to schedule a message. I'll select my mom's account. You can choose the date and time as per your preference. And in this message box, you can type your desired message. You can add photos, audios in it. You can also decide if you want this app to ask you before sending the message. You can enable this option too. Once you're done customizing your message, you can tap on this tick mark at the top right corner. Skip this ad. And there you go. Your WhatsApp message has been scheduled. Now it will be sent to your desired contacts on your scheduled time. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.